Paul here from Ims Automotive, Carrying Bar, Sydney. Got this Ims Bearing replacement done on this Boxster 986S. We replaced the cooler, oil cooler, replaced that. New separator, oil separator. We cleaned the intake manifold, new rear main seal, modified oil pump drive at the front, so you can get the actual the oil in the tunnel to go into the Ims bearing as well. So brand new water pump there, brand new thermostat housing, brand new thermostat inside there as well. You see it. Brand new coils, machine coils, spark plugs on both sides here. It's a modified one, so if you got a 986, 996, you better grab these ones here. They're pretty good. This is the better one, because the old one they crack all the time, and then they got heaps of crack on the housing, and then create misfiring. So alright, double checking everything right at the moment. After that, I just had to rebuild the seat head. I've done this right hand side. I've done the CV boot, brand new. Took it apart and brought a new CV boot. So the problem with this one here is it was split on this side here and that side there. So to do that side, you got to remove this side here to put the boot on first, this side, and then you finish the other side. Yeah, but if you look at this tool here, bought this on Bunnings. That's actually in Australia. You know Bunnings. It's really good. So what it does is like it's a metal tie. So you just pick the right size for your CV boot, and I find this is one of the best tools you can use, because you can pull the whole thing tight with this, and then you just pull it up, and then that little handle there, this one here, is the cutter. So you just cut the cable tie. See, the metal one. Sorry. So perfect tool for CV boot. So I just finished that one there. I'm just finishing up this side here. We're going to install the both drive shaft first, and then install the engine today, get it running, and then tomorrow put the rear bar on and go from there. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.